Move-in ready and the best price in the community. All appliances included. Photos tell the whole story. Popular Catalyst floor plan, immaculate interior, upgraded better than the model, energy efficient and built in 2019 by David Weekley. Welcome to the gated community of Serenoa Village 2, a green community with solar street lights, 11 acres of outstanding community amenities including a lap pool with easy access, outdoor covered patios with a bar, fireplace, and relaxation areas, a 24-hour fitness center and more. This home, well, it shows better than the model. The welcoming front porch with stacked stone accents opens to a bright, cheerful foyer with front door plantation shutters, higher ceilings, and tile floors in all gathering areas. As an open plan, the design offers everyone a comfortable living space. The living room is spacious enough for a grand piano, with custom lighting and a fantastic view of the kitchen, dining room and family room with access to the upgraded screened patio. The kitchen, known as the heart of the home, is centrally located, featuring upgraded granite counters, 42-inch cabinets, square gray tile backsplash, an outdoor vented microwave and an island with California countertops creating ample entertainment space. Multiple double-pane windows extend along the side of the home down into the family room for plenty of natural light. In the evening, elegant ceiling fans with soft lighting, LED lighting in the kitchen and modern lighting in the dining room are the perfect combination for a relaxing evening. Off the family room is the primary suite with an upgraded bath and a custom walk-in closet. The bath features a large walk-in shower, quartz counters, dual sinks and surface mount mirrored cabinets. Around the corner is a custom-designed closet with built-ins and plenty of room for your clothes. Nearby kitchen, past the pantry with additional shelving, is bedrooms 2 and 3, the second full bath with upgraded quartz vanity counter, upgraded bath and shower tile and full-size laundry room Wi-Fi washer and dryer. Adjacent to the foyer is the fourth bedroom, and it's a suite with a full bath and upgraded quartz vanity counter. The screened patio looks upon a large backyard with mature landscaping, a new fence, and plenty of room for fun. Nearby is the